Welcome to Tara Noah's channel. Our mission is to help you discover your ideal job. We provide you with exciting job openings in various industries, ensuring there is something that matches your interests and skill set. Whether you have little or extensive experience, we have something for you on our channel. With our prestigious client, Bokomo Namibia, you can advance your career in a challenging, exciting, and constantly evolving environment. So, are you ready for a new move? Bokomo is hiring a manager packing sugar, rice, and pasta. The incumbent will be accountable for developing and executing packaging strategies that support business goals, ensuring product quality, and supervising all related processes. You will manage and maintain quality systems within the department and work with the QA department to review and update systems. The ideal candidate will have 8 years of relevant experience in management and functional know-how, with a vocational training certificate being preferred. You must be able to work in a fast-paced and complex environment and be a Namibian citizen or permanent resident. SAP material management experience is advantageous, and you must be willing to work shifts, public holidays, and overtime as required. A forklift license is also a requirement. You will plan and execute packaging operations to reduce costs and meet sales targets, administer production volumes, packaging materials, and stock takes and execute reporting on production, quality, and safety. Click the link in the description below this video for more details of this vacancy and also to apply via our portal at jobportunities.net. We end every video with a message from the Tara Noah team. Today, it is Dami's turn to deliver the message. So, over to you, Dami.
Welcome, dear friends. We are happy that you have joined us here today. Our channel is your one-stop shop for all things career-related, and we are dedicated to providing you with the resources and support you need to succeed. From job openings to resume tips, interview techniques, and motivational videos, we have it all. Our mission is to inspire and empower you to chase your career aspirations and achieve your dreams. We believe that with the right mindset and tools, you can overcome any obstacle and reach your full potential. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest job opportunities and career advice. By spreading the word about our channel, you can help others achieve their dream jobs too. As we say cheerio from the charming town of Swakopmund, we send you positive vibes and best wishes for your future endeavors. Remember, success is within your reach, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care and keep striving towards your career ambitions. Goodbye.